You may come across situations when you want to run the same test multiple times. This could happen if your method under test generated random values and you wanted to make sure all of them are legit. It also makes sense in some more advanced integration tests, when you have multiple threads for instance, but this case is outside the scope of our course. In any way, there is a very simple and straightforward way to repeat the same test. Open the Diet Planner test class and change add_test into add_repeated_test. Press Ctrl space, open bracket, and provide the number of repetitions inside. Let's say it's going to be 10. Now, if you run the tests and you expand the method result, you can see that the same test was executed 10 times in a row. Each repetition is treated as a separate unit test, which means that add before each and add after each will be executed 10 times each. In fact, if you take a look at the console output, you can see that that sentence appeared 10 times, once for each repetition. You can also customize the name that will be shown after the tests are run. There are many options here, we'll just show you one of them. Let's change 10 into value equals 10, and then after a comma, provide name equals repeated test dot long display name. If we now run the test again and expand the method, we can see a long display name for each test. A word of warning: only use repeated tests when they make sense. If you don't use any random numbers inside a method, if the method does not change its state in any way, or if the method does not run in multiple threads, for instance, then executing the same test multiple times is a waste of time. Alright, so that's how you can run the test multiple times in JUnit 5.